Warren Buffett once said, "I love dividends because they represent a direct cash return on your investment, no matter what the market is doing." Think dividends are just a little extra? Think again. Dividends can be a powerful force to fuel your financial success. Imagine this. Harry, struggling to make ends meet, was looking for a way to cover his rent every month without stress. And then, he found something that changed everything. 6 monthly dividend stocks that could pay his rent. Intrigued? One of them has a 5-year compound annual growth rate of 21.34%. Well, today, we're going to show you how to build a rent-free future with monthly dividend stocks. You'll discover what they are, why they're different from typical quarterly dividends, and, most importantly, how you can make consistent income without relying on market timing. And here's the kicker. You don't need a fortune to start. With the right investment, you could bring in around $15,000 every month, just like Harry. So get ready as we dive into the world of monthly dividend stocks and set sail towards financial freedom. Now, what exactly are monthly dividend stocks? Unlike typical quarterly dividends, these special stocks provide consistent income by paying out every month. This means a regular cash flow that makes budgeting and financial planning much easier. Think of it as a paycheck that doesn't depend on the market's ups and downs. These stocks are often issued by companies with steady cash flows and a solid commitment to providing their shareholders with reliable income. So, why should you consider them? Well, first, monthly dividends allow for compounding at a faster rate, meaning reinvested earnings can grow quicker than with traditional dividends. And if you're looking for a way to pay your rent or cover other monthly expenses, this type of income could be a game changer. Plus, the stability they offer is ideal for income-oriented investors like retirees or anyone seeking passive income without the risk of needing to sell shares. Harry saw this as his ticket to a rent-free future, and now you're about to see the exact stocks he invested in to achieve that. Let's dive into the 6 dividend-paying stocks that could help you achieve a consistent monthly income. Stag Industrial Incorporated. Stag Industrial Inc. is a real estate investment trust, REIT, focused on the acquisition, ownership, and operation of single-tenant industrial properties throughout the United States. As of the latest data, Stag Industrial has an enterprise value of approximately $10.1 billion, with a portfolio encompassing 578 buildings across 40 states, totaling 114.5 million square feet. The company's market cap stands at around $6.83 billion. Stag Industrial has demonstrated a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 14.80% over the past 20 years. The company's revenue CAGR over the trailing 12 months, TTM, is 8.49%, while its free cash flow, CAGR, is 5.31%. The payout ratio, which indicates the proportion of earnings paid out as dividends, is approximately 0.68%, reflecting a conservative approach to dividend distribution. In terms of stock performance, Stag Industrial's share price is currently $37.81, with a total return CAGR of 8.82% over the past 5 years. The company's dividend growth rate over the past 10 years is 1.53% compound annual growth rate, indicating a steady but modest increase in dividend payouts. For an investor considering a $100,000 investment in Stag Industrial, the growth over 20 years would be substantial. Assuming the historical CAGR of 14.80%, the investment would grow to approximately $1,484,000. Over 30 years with the same growth rate, the investment would increase to around $4,284,000. The annual dividend value for Stag Industrial is currently $1.48 per share. Assuming the dividend growth rate of 1.53% continues, the annual dividend per share after 20 years would be approximately $1.83. For a $1,484,000 investment, this would mean an annual dividend of about $72,840. After 30 years, the annual dividend per share would be around $2.12, resulting in an annual dividend of approximately $181,008 for a $4,284,000 investment. Stag Industrial's focus on single-tenant industrial properties and its strategic acquisitions have contributed to its strong performance and growth. The company's conservative payout ratio and steady dividend growth make it an attractive option for long-term investors seeking both income and capital appreciation. Realty Income Corporation. Realty Income Corporation, known as the Monthly Dividend Company, is a real estate investment trust, REIT, that invests in high-quality commercial properties leased to leading companies under long-term net lease agreements. As of the latest data, Realty Income has a market cap of approximately $52.67 billion and a portfolio of 15,450 properties across the United States, the United Kingdom, and Europe. The company has a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 13.5% since its NYSE listing in 1994. The total return CAGR over the past 5 years is 5.27%, and the dividend growth rate over the past 10 years is 5.27%, 4.3% per year. Realty Income's payout ratio is around 80%, indicating a strong commitment to returning profits to shareholders through dividends. Realty Income's stock price is currently $59.37 with a forward dividend yield of 5.33%. The company has a history of consistent dividend payments, having declared 644 consecutive monthly dividends since its founding in 1969. The annual dividend per share is $3.16, providing a steady income stream for investors. For an investor considering a $100,000 investment in Realty Income, the growth over 20 years would be significant. Assuming the historical CAGR of 13.5%, the investment would grow to approximately $1,081,000. Over 30 years with the same growth rate, the investment would increase to around $2,395,000. The annual dividend value for Realty Income is currently $3.16 per share. Assuming the dividend growth rate of 4.3% continues, the annual dividend per share after 20 years would be approximately $5.70. For a $1,081,000 investment, this would mean an annual dividend of about $61,407. After 30 years, the annual dividend per share would be around $8.60, resulting in an annual dividend of approximately $92,586 for a $2,395,000 investment. Realty Income's focus on high-quality commercial properties and its consistent dividend growth make it an attractive option for long-term investors seeking both income and capital appreciation. The company's strong track record and commitment to monthly dividends provide a reliable income stream for shareholders. Oxford Square Capital Corporation, OXSQ. Oxford Square Capital Corporation, OXSQ, is a business development company that focuses on providing capital to established businesses, investing in syndicated bank loans, and purchasing debt and equity tranches of collateralized loan obligations. The company's investment activities are managed by Oxford Square Management, LLC. As of the latest data, OXSQ has a market cap of approximately $184.26 million and a stock price of $2.90. The company's beta is 1.10, indicating a higher volatility compared to the market. OXSQ has a forward dividend yield of 14.53% with an annual dividend of $0.42 per share. The payout ratio, which measures the proportion of earnings paid out as dividends, is approximately 58.1%. This suggests that the company is returning a significant portion of its earnings to shareholders, which can be attractive to income-focused investors. The company's compound annual growth rate, CAGR, over the past few years has been around 3.5%, reflecting a steady but modest growth trajectory. The growth rate is influenced by the company's investment strategy and the performance of its portfolio companies. For an investment of $100,000 in OXSQ, the growth over 20 years, assuming a consistent compound annual growth rate of 3.5%, would be approximately $198,858. Over 30 years, the investment would grow to around $279,758. The annual dividend value after 20 years would be approximately $28,451, and after 30 years, it would be around $40,637, assuming the dividend remains constant. In summary, Oxford Square Capital Corporation offers a high dividend yield and a moderate growth rate, making it an attractive option for investors seeking regular income and steady growth. However, the higher volatility and payout ratio indicate that the company is heavily reliant on its earnings to sustain dividend payments, which could be a concern in less favorable market conditions. Orchid Island Capital Incorporated, ORC. Orchid Island Capital Incorporated, ORC, is a specialty finance company that invests in residential mortgage-backed securities, RMBS, on a leveraged basis. The company's income is primarily derived from the difference between the yield on its mortgage assets and the cost of its borrowings. Orchid Island Capital operates as a real estate investment trust, REIT, which means it is not subject to U.S. federal corporate income tax as long as it distributes at least 90% of its REIT taxable income to its shareholders. The company is externally managed and advised by Bimini Advisors, LLC, a wholly owned subsidiary of Bimini Capital Management, Inc. As of the latest data, Orchid Island Capital has a market cap of approximately $619.5 million and a stock price of $7.90. The company's total return CAGR over the past 12 months is 5.50%, while the 3-year average growth rate is 5.50% minus 16.95%, and the 5-year compound annual growth rate is minus 7.72%. The payout ratio for Orchid Island Capital is 100%, meaning it distributes all of its earnings as dividends. The annual dividend yield is 18.44% with a monthly dividend rate of $0.12 per share. If you were to invest $100,000 in Orchid Island Capital, the value of your investment after 20 years would be approximately $265,330, assuming a consistent annual growth rate of 5.50%. After 30 years, the investment would grow to around $432,194. The annual dividend value after 20 years would be approximately $49,200, and after 30 years, it would be around $81,660. Orchid Island Capital's strategy focuses on maintaining a strong liquidity position and a diversified portfolio of agency RMBS, which includes traditional pass-through certificates and structured RMBS. The company's management aims to navigate the challenges posed by the current economic environment while delivering consistent returns to its shareholders. Armour Residential REIT Inc. Tune ARR. Armour Residential REIT Inc. ARR is a mortgage REIT specializing in investing in agency and non-agency residential mortgage-backed securities, RMBS. The company's primary objective is to generate income from the interest and principal payments on these securities. Armour Residential REIT is externally managed by Armour Capital Management, LLC, which provides investment advisory services to the company. As of the latest data, Armour Residential REIT has a market cap of approximately $1.05 billion and a stock price of $18.83. The company's compound annual growth rate, CAGR, over the past 5 years is impressive at 52.88%, while the 3-year average growth rate stands at 39.75%. The payout ratio for Armour Residential REIT is 100%, meaning it distributes all of its earnings as dividends, showcasing its commitment to returning profits to shareholders. The annual dividend yield is currently 15.15%, with a quarterly dividend rate of 72 cents per share. This high dividend yield makes it an attractive option for income-focused investors. The company's strategy includes maintaining a diversified portfolio of RMBS and managing interest rate risk through hedging strategies, which has contributed to its strong performance. For an investment of $100,000 in Armour Residential REIT, the growth over 20 years, assuming the compound annual growth rate of 52.88% would be substantial, growing to approximately $1,648,000. Over 30 years, the investment would increase significantly to around $5,428,000. The annual dividend value after 20 years would be approximately $249,800, and after 30 years, it would reach around $821,400. Armour Residential REIT's focus on a diversified RMBS portfolio and its consistent high dividend yield provide a steady income stream and significant growth potential, making it an attractive choice for long-term investors seeking both income and capital appreciation. San Juan Basin Royalty Trust Opts SJT. San Juan Basin Royalty Trust, SJT, is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol SJT. Established in November 1980, the trust is managed by Argent Trust Company and primarily owns a 75% net overriding royalty interest in oil and gas leases in the San Juan Basin of northwestern New Mexico. Its market cap is approximately $189.7 million, with a current stock price of $4.07. The trust has experienced a volatile compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of negative 44.13% over the past year, reflecting significant fluctuations in value. However, its 3-year average growth rate stands at 4.53%, and the 5-year KGR is 21.34%, suggesting longer-term stability. The payout ratio isn't explicitly stated, but SJT has been consistently distributing dividends, with the latest annual dividend recorded at 34 cents per share. Projecting an investment of $100,000 $800,000 in SJT, assuming the 5-year compound annual growth rate of 21.34% continues. The value after 20 years would be approximately $6,800,000. Over 30 years, the investment could potentially grow to around $48,400,000. Regarding dividends, if the annual dividend rate of 34 cents per share remains constant, after 20 years, the annual dividend would be roughly $5,780,000, and after 20 years, the annual dividend would be roughly 30 years. It would be around $40,220,000. When investing in these 6 monthly dividend stocks, it's important to think about diversification. By spreading your investment across different companies, you can protect yourself from market shifts and reduce risk, keeping that income stream steady. Now, imagine reinvesting your dividends every month. This is where the magic of compounding really works in your favor. Each month's payout can be reinvested to generate even more income, accelerating your journey to financial freedom. Remember, building a steady monthly income isn't just about today. It's about creating a long-term plan that grows with you. With the right strategy, these stocks can become a foundation for a future free from financial worry. If you're new to investing, a financial advisor can help tailor this plan to your needs, especially when it comes to understanding taxes and maximizing your growth. So there you have it, the power of monthly dividend stocks. By making thoughtful investments, you can create a reliable income stream that supports your goals, from covering your rent to building a pathway to true financial freedom. Remember, like Harry, it doesn't take millions to start. With the right strategy, consistency, and a bit of patience, monthly dividends can be more than just extra cash. They can be the foundation of a secure, independent future. If financial stability and the peace of knowing your income is taken care of sound like a dream, then this is a path worth exploring. Start small, diversify wisely, and keep your focus on growth. Monthly dividends have the potential to change your financial landscape, 1 month at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial independence. Here's to taking those first steps towards a brighter, more secure future.